chains, cross link, 4 link. There's a pair, and it fits 8.3s.
We just did Dave's over at his farm.
10. This is what I got, 10 by 16.5s. So there they are. We're gonna put them on. But this is on the inside then, so let's flip this to
on the inside.
Yep. Put that to the back. Oh, you can flip this way. I don't know if there's an up or a down. Find out.
Well, I turned them this way just so these weren't digging into the tires.
Yeah.
So that's why I went, because there's a hook on both sides. I mean, both sides got a hook. So do you want these rubber on your tires?
I don't know.
I wouldn't think you want that.
Yeah, go the opposite, yeah. So
yeah.
this is up.
Yep.
So.
Okay, now you're gonna roll this side up.
Center.
You grab these bottom ones. We should be able to connect it on top then.
Got it. Just go ahead and flip it around. Yeah, I asked the kid, I said, are there binders on it? He says, oh yeah, it's all there. I said, no, I mean like on the sidewall type thing. So I think we can go all the way to the...
And then this has got your lock on it.
It's as tight as possible. And as we run them, we might have to redo it.
Yep, Dave drives on his a little bit, then we snug them back up. Then for this, you might want to bungee it back.
Wire it.
Yeah, zip tie or something. That's simple enough.
As long as you're not hitting there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just thought we'd want to probably do one turnbuckle and just tighten it.
It wouldn't hurt. It wouldn't hurt.
Or 2 turnbuckles and that's it. You know, just 2 of them together. I got big ones, little ones, so.
Yeah. That'll tighten it go off this. It'll keep that from flopping
right,
around.
Yeah, I'll go grab them. See, I just got whatever size looked like it was big enough. Yeah, I probably have to go hook it here first, and then I can yank on it. Oh, you still got more. Yeah, that'll be great.
You could almost put a lock nut on these so it can't back out.
Yeah.
Take them all the way out, put a lock nut on it.
Yep. Sounds like a project for if they get loose.
Yep. Oh, we should be able to almost get that, oh yeah.
Way better than yesterday night.
Yep.
Holy
It's
God.
tighten up in here too.
Well,
This one here, just let that flop. I ain't gonna
well,
stay on
put a
anything.
piece of wire on or tape it on something. Yeah, we'll drive a little bit and then we can tighten it more because it keeps getting tight. There we go. All right. Let's take this to the other side.
All right.
So that I went all the way to the 5th length. All the way to the last one. We just went anywhere, right? Straight across.
Yeah. That's loose on the bottom corner. I wonder if we can get another link in here. No, I'll get, yeah, if we get one more knot.
If you can, that would make a difference on this too, so we can just use what we got. Get one more in there. Squeeze this way, that should help. Oh yeah. Oh, much better than yesterday.
Much more better. Oh, that's a snug one now. Oh, I like the sound of that popping over there. I think we got a fire.
Oh, you can hear it?
Yeah. Came over yesterday. Didn't have no matches. God damn it. Guess I'll do it tomorrow.
It's working. I'm gonna go grab a wrench, a crescent wrench. Or a screwdriver would work too even. Actually, there's a screwdriver back in the toolkit in the back of the tractor.
Handle your $100 snip work.
Yep, that'll work. Anything you get in that. Anything you get inside of there. Yeah, that's way better, a bungee.
Yeah, otherwise the bungees get weak and loosen up.
Well, I was afraid of getting caught in
That's
branches and sticks and crap, you know.
It's stiff.
Yeah, check, do the other one, tighten that other one.
That's
Too.
too.
Yeah, I'll go grab a zip tie.
Zip tie and go back with it.
Yeah.
Just so it don't snag on
I'll
that.
go grab one. Yeah, just you probably go around 3 times.
Mm-hmm.
Need to hold that other zip tie so you're not fighting it. I'm gonna go around 4 times.
Oh, usually.
Go back here.
I'm gonna go forward with it because that's the keeps it the tightest.
Tomorrow or the next day we should probably grease everything too. I should have brought my guns, dang it.
I got a slow one.
I got a
battery pack one.
battery, I got a
That's
Milwaukee.
the way to go.
Yeah. Well, I've got to call Kenny if he's coming. He can bring his. He's got the same one. It's so nice. I got the even got the quick. What's it called? Quick couple, whatever it is.
Yeah.
Quick. There's a name for it, quick link or something like that. So you squeeze it and it goes on. It's like a caliper type thing.
Oh.
So much better than having to shove it on and off, you know, and then trying to pull it off and worrying about breaking your zerks off. That's
That's
good.
close to the thing. Look at this.
Stop sweating.
All right.
That should work. Turn a couple circles each direction. Turn in a couple circles in each direction, and that should tighten them up or loosen them up, one of the two. That's going to make a big difference on anything. Well, I think it's the next cleated one, but as they wear down, they get a little rusty and they get started up so big. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah. That's as tight as it'll get. Well, it's a can of link maybe.
Yeah.
That's as tight as they'll both get, so. That's pretty good though, really. We'll just check it once in a while. Maybe we got to gain a link, whatever. Yeah, I got pitched. Hope you entertained. I'm having fun. Bratwurst!